The Aipas F3 electric bike stands out in the crowded electric bike market with its impressive specifications and design tailored for both urban commuters and adventure seekers. The bike is equipped with a robust 1500W peak motor that provides a thrilling ride experience, enabling speeds of up to 28 miles per hour. This level of power is not only about speed, it translates to excellent acceleration and the ability to tackle steep hills effortlessly, making it a perfect companion for varied terrains. One of the first aspects that caught my attention was the bike's 48V 12.8Ah lithium battery. This powerful battery offers an impressive range of approximately 40 to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and the level of pedal assistance used. For daily commuters, this means fewer concerns about running out of battery mid-journey. The battery is removable, allowing for convenient charging at home or in the office. This feature is practical, especially for those who may not have easy access to an outdoor outlet. The bike's design is another highlight, merging functionality with aesthetics. The aluminum alloy frame is both lightweight and durable, contributing to the bike's overall agility. The frame's geometric design ensures a comfortable riding posture, which is crucial for longer rides. Additionally, the bike is equipped with a 7-speed transmission system, allowing riders to switch gears smoothly and adapt to different riding conditions seamlessly. Comfort is further enhanced by the inclusion of a front suspension fork, which absorbs shocks and bumps, providing a smoother ride on uneven surfaces. The bike comes with a wide, cushioned saddle that ensures comfort even on extended rides. I found that the ergonomic handlebar design allowed for a natural grip, reducing fatigue during long journeys. Safety has been considered thoughtfully in the Aipas F3 design. The bike features front and rear disc brakes, which deliver reliable stopping power under various conditions. This is particularly important for those commuting in urban environments where quick stops may be necessary. The bright LED headlight provides excellent visibility during nighttime rides, while the rear reflector enhances safety, making you noticeable to vehicles. The Aipas F3 is also equipped with a smart LCD display that offers essential information such as speed, battery level, distance traveled, and the selected assist level. This display is easy to read, even in bright sunlight, and is an essential tool for tracking your ride stats. The pedal assist system offers 5 levels, giving you control over the amount of assistance you desire during your ride. This flexibility allows you to conserve battery power when needed or enjoy a more vigorous workout by opting for lower assistance levels. One of the standout features of the Aipas F3 is its versatility. It caters to a wide range of riders, from those seeking a reliable daily commuter to those looking for an exciting off-road experience. The bike's sturdy tires provide excellent grip, making it suitable for both paved roads and rugged trails. For those who enjoy a bit of adventure, the bike's capabilities make it a perfect companion for weekend getaways. However, it's essential to consider a few minor drawbacks. The assembly process may require some mechanical knowledge or assistance if you're not familiar with bike assembly. While the bike comes partially assembled, completing the setup for the front wheel, pedals, and handlebars may take some time. Additionally, while the bike's weight is manageable for most, it may feel heavy for some less experienced riders, especially when navigating steep inclines or when the battery runs out. The Aipas F3 electric bike is competitively priced for its features, making it an attractive option for anyone looking to invest in an electric bike. The combination of a powerful motor, high-capacity battery, and thoughtful design elements contributes to an overall excellent value proposition for potential buyers. In conclusion, the Aipas F3 electric bike for adults is a robust electric bike that excels in performance, comfort, and versatility. It's well suited for both daily commuting and recreational riding, making it a worthwhile investment. With its array of features and thoughtful design, the Aipas F3 makes a compelling case for anyone in the market for an electric bike.